Billy Jack's back. I'm down here at the river level below the overflow column, trying to get a better look at this overflow column that's laying down in the water here. You see some of the original pylons right here. Here you see more of this cement right in here, old cement. Be interesting to know when the event was that knocked this tower over. May have something to do with the 1740 Kamchatka volcanic eruption, even though you'll see very little written about it. I suspect if that is true, then by several months from 1740 eruption, 6 months out, man, they were knowing something happened. Suppose it darkened the skies all over the world. And they said the first year, they just ate all the pets and the rats. Then the second year, they ate the horses. When they did that, they basically trapped themselves wherever they were. This is what I wanted to show everybody. It's these large timbers. These are massive. They're also covered with some type of historic pitch or tar or something. These things are at least 15 inches wide. And 20 feet long. 15 inches thick, 15 inches wide, 20 feet long. Massive old growth timbers right here. Some type of sturdy traction to get in and out, since they were carrying these heavy loads of water in and out of here. We'll be exploring around these trees up in here. Billy Jack over and out.